Check 1, 2. All right. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in today. Today is December 21st, and it is 4 days until Christmas. So you already know what we have to do. This is the first time I'll ever be wrapping my car in wrapping paper. I've never done this in my entire life, and I'm actually really excited to do this because I think it's gonna look really, really good. So let me walk around the car here. Let me reach in. I got two different types of wrapping paper, right? This type and this stuff right here. I'll come a little closer so you can see. Check it out. So we got like this really shimmery, awesome, like, you know, dotted stuff. And then we got this, it's got like reindeer on it and it's white. I feel like the two white and red will accent really well. We're gonna split it right down the center. I think I'm gonna do this side white and this side red, but I'm not quite sure. All right, so let's get started. I have this masking tape right here. I wasn't able to find like red masking tape or anything. Okay, so we're gonna start with this white wrapping paper. I think I'm gonna put it on the driver's side, and then we're gonna do the red stuff on the other side. So I think it's gonna look really cool. Let's take this off of here. So I'm probably not gonna do the wheels just because I feel like that would be really difficult, but I'm just gonna try and do the fenders and everything. So I haven't really figured out, I haven't really thought about how I'm gonna do this because the sheets are really, how tall is this? I don't even know. I'm gonna start cutting it. All right, so after some struggling, we're getting it. It's on there, and it's to a point where we could probably drive it and it would be okay. So, you know, I've just been like cutting it and kind of outlining it, ripping a piece of this off. It's a slow process. And kind of just, you know, battling. The tape takes half the time. Okay, so now the front bumper. Now, like I said, I'm only gonna do half. I'm only gonna do half the front bumper, so. Oh man, that's gotta be one of the most satisfying things in the universe. Okay, well, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually looking really good. We have the front, like 2 hours have gone by and I've just got the front. I took off the mic, by the way, so if the audio's different, I'm sorry. Should we leave the hood red? I think that'd be pretty cool. Camera's about to die. I'll see you tomorrow if I don't get to say anything before it does die. mean, it's getting there. Slowly but surely. Very, very, very slowly. It's gonna get there, you guys. It's gonna get there. All right, guys, it's kind of like a halfway point update here. I've been hard at work wrapping the car, and I think it looks amazing. Like, seriously, having the top red and the bottom white looks so cool. Check this out. The two-tone really is interesting. But geez, it looks good so far. Check it out, we got the back. I'm working on this last corner over here. And then once we got this corner all done, then basically you can start doing the top. Should I do the roof or should we leave it red? It looks really cool red, you know, and I'm kind of tired, I'm not gonna lie. I am honestly really interested in doing both this color paper right here and the white paper as well. But to be honest, I'm so exhausted, and putting this paper on is so difficult by yourself, and hopefully it's not gonna get dark. So if I have enough time, I'll do it. The hatch is gonna be hard because the wing, I don't know if I'm gonna do the wing. I might just leave the wing red and then maybe do the hood and the roof, but I honestly can't decide. I think it looks so good, just the white, and I'm a little lazy, but looks really good. All right, you guys, I'm gonna finish this up and then we're gonna get a cinematic video. All right, you guys, so my camera's about to die. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This seriously took 2 entire days to do, so I hope you guys liked it a lot. Go ahead and drop a thumbs up if you did. Please leave a comment down below if you want to see anything else on my YouTube channel, and I'll make it happen. I hope you guys enjoyed that little cinematic I put together for you. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more from me. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas and peace out. All right, guys, so we're driving the wrapped Z right now, and we got a side panel over here that is peeling up. Oh yes, see this piece, I knew it. Knew it wouldn't last. Easy fix. All right, so I taped it back up right here.